Hello friends, so welcome back to your own channel, that is We Are in Techno World. So in this video lecture, I will tell you about the type of intelligent agents, right? So in case of the different types of intelligent agent, today I would tell you about the simple reflex agent. Okay, so what do you mean by simple reflex agent? These are the simple type of intelligent agents, you could say. Means these types of intelligent agents works on the current percept, right? Based on the current percept. That means what exactly is being done in the current situation, and accordingly what type of action we have to take. Okay, so this is known as simple reflex. Now, with the help of definition, you just try to understand that simple reflex agent is the most basic type of intelligent agent, and it performs the action based on the current situation. Right? यहाँ पर this is the keyword. ये आपका keyword है that these types of intelligent agents work on the current situation. When something happens in the environment of a simple reflex agent, then the agent quickly scans its knowledge base for how to respond to the situation at hand based on the predetermined rules. Right? Means what could be the example for that? For example, like there's one hot pot, right, which is on the gas right now, and it is very hot. Then as soon as your hand is on the hot pot, right, then you feels like very hot, right? Then your hand takes action, immediate action your hand takes, right? You would obviously, maybe the hot pot would be fall down, right? And it could be like you would pull back your hand, right? So this is the current action which you are taking according to situation, right? So these kind of intelligent agents are known as simple reflex, right? Simple reflex agents कहते हैं कि करंट सिचुएशन को देखते हुए आपको सीधा सीधा इफ और एल्स कंडीशन लगानी है. अब आप यहाँ पर इसको समझ सकते हैं with the help of some another examples. It would be like a home thermostat recognizing devices, just like you could say the vacuum cleaner as well, right? Because vacuum cleaners like check that if there is a dust, then it would be vacuumed with the help of that device, right? So this is one another example of simple reflex intelligent agent. Then the another example which we are having is like if the temperature increases to 75-degree in the home, then the thermostat is prompted to kick on. Means it doesn't need to know ki what happened with the temperature yesterday, right? Means you need not to check the previous history ki what happened like 2 days before, right? Instead of that, like simple reflex intelligent agent says like what happens, and according to that the response would be taken, right? So just like that you could take some another example, like you just note down in your notebook as well. आप अपनी नोटबुक निकालिए, उसमें भी आप कुछ और एग्जाम्पल्स लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल like in case of AC, in nowadays we are having the AC in which if like you could say like if the temperature is below 16%, below 16 degree, right, then AC would be switched off, right? And if the temperature is very high, then automatically it would be on, right? So these are the example of simple reflex intelligent agent, because depend upon the current situation these kind of intelligent agents are working. Hope this is understood by you people. Okay, now like you just understand it with the help of diagram as well. As in the previous lecture of intelligent agent, I have told you that we are having like three main components. The first one is environment, then the another one is like we are having sensor, then effectors as well as the actuators, right? ये चार चीजें आपके पास है. So depending upon the environment, the sensor is sensing the thing, right? For example, our hand is sensing like there's a hot pot on the gas, right? Then what the word is like now, okay, what exactly the situation is right now, then accordingly the action would be taken, right? Means the terms and conditions would be applied over here, if and else condition would be applied over here, and accordingly the effectors would take the action, right? So this is simple reflex agent. So that is why we say that these kind of agents selects the actions based on the agent's current perception, right? Based on the current perception, or the word not based on the past perception, right? Means we are not taking the past perceptions. आप previous history पे काम नहीं कर रहे हो कि कल क्या हुआ था, 4 दिन पहले क्या हुआ था, right? We are not working on that. आपका जो इंटेलिजेंट एजेंट सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स का कहता है वो ये कहता है कि आप करंट सिचुएशन को सेंस कीजिए और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप एक्शन लीजिए, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स. अच्छा, अब हमारे पास कुछ और भी डेफिनेशंस हैं. लाइक दीज काइंड ऑफ सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट आर यूजफुल व्हेन अ क्विक ऑटोमेटेड रिस्पॉन्स इज नीडेड. ऑब्वियसली अगर आपको क्विक रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए, so for that purpose, we could take these kind of intelligent agents, right? Because humans have a very similar reaction to fire. For example, a brain pulls our hand away without thinking about any possibility that there could be danger in the path of your arm. So we call these kind of actions just like reflex actions. Okay, so another example could be vacuum cleaner. Then this kind of connection means in case of simple reflex agent we could say like this kind of connection is used where only one possibility is acted upon, right? So like here the condition action rule is applied. For example, if hand is in fire, then pull away the hand. Only one action would be taken, right? So in case of that, like we could take like some of the problems in case of simple reflex agent, that it is very limited intelligence it is having, right? We are not working on the previous experiences, we are only percepting the current situation. That is why like only limited intelligence is there. Then the another disadvantage of simple reflex is no knowledge of non-perceptual parts of the state, and usually it's too big to generate and store. And if there occurs any change in the environment, then the collection of the rule need not obviously if there occurs any change in the environment, then obviously depend upon the condition the action would be taken, right? If the obviously if the environment would be changed, then obviously what would happen, like the situation or the action would be changed, right? So this is all about simple reflex agent. Hope you have understood. So if you like this video, do comment in the below comment box. It would be very appreciable by you people, like obviously. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.